Hi children. Children, now we are going to solve a same question as we discussed in the previous one, that is find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. Before this children, we have already learned how to find rational number between two given numbers. By two methods we have learned, that is first one mean method, second one direct method, single step method. So we are going to solve one more question on this basis, that is find 5 rational number between 1 and 2 children. So first we are going to solve by mean method. In examination, if it is mentioned that get it by mean method, then you have to go with the mean method. Otherwise you can go with the shortcut method children. That is very easy and small. Shortcut method is very easy and small children. Okay. But here sometimes it may be mentioned find with mean method. So you have to go with that is a very somewhat long children. Okay. So let's. Okay. What is the formula? Just you have to find the average of given two numbers. So here let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2 children. Okay. So rational number, you know very well, rational number between 1 and 2. Rational number between 1 and 2. What is the formula to find rational number between 1 and 2? Yes, by mean method. With the name only it is clear. By mean method means average. That is A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2, that is 1 plus 2 upon 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay children? Therefore, numbers are, first number was 1, next number was 2, and we got a rational number 3 by 2, which is the mean of these two. Means 3 by 2 will lie between 1 and 2 in the center, because 3 by 2 is average of this and this. Now children, one number we got, like that 4 more numbers are required. So now children, let as you wish A is equal to what you want to take. In the previous video only I have told that every student may get the different answer. Here answer is not important. Why? Because some of the student will take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 by 2. Other student may take A is equal to 3 by 2, B is equal to 2. Any two adjacent number you have to take. Any two adjacent number you have to take. You cannot take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Already you have taken. So either you take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 by 2, or take A is equal to 3 by 2 and B is equal to 2. Okay children, let's take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 by 2 children. Okay. Now same method, a rational number between A 1 and B 3 by 2 is equal to, same thing children, get the average. 1 plus 3 upon 2 whole divide by 2. To take LCM, I am writing 1 as a 1 upon 1. It will become somewhat easier. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? Of course 2. Here 1, how many times? 2 times. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 whole divide by 2. 2 plus 3, 5 divide by 2, and already whole divide by 2 is there. To get it, you know denominator 2 is there, we can write it as a 2 by 1. Now what you can write? First into last, second into third. That is 5 into 1, 5 into 1 upon 2 into 2. That is 5 upon 4 children. 5 upon 4. So here we got one more, that is 5 upon 4. So what you can write? Numbers are, first number was 1, next 3 by 2, and next 2 already there. One more number we got 5 by 4. Where should we write 5 by 4? 5 by 4 we have taken between 1 and 3 by 2. So it will belong between 1 and 3 by 2. This position is very important. 5 by 4 will belong between 1 and 3 by 2 because we have taken A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 by 2. Okay children, now let A is equal to, as you wish, here many chances are there. Some of the student may take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5 by 4. Some may take A is equal to 5 by 4, B is equal to 3 by 2. Some may take A is equal to 3 by 2, B is equal to 2. As you wish, depending on the numbers you are taking, you will get the answer. I am taking A is equal to 5 upon 4, B is equal to 3 by 2. So whatever number will be obtained, where it will occupy the place, the result will be between 5 by 4 and 3 by 2 because it is the average of these two numbers. Therefore, a rational number between 5 by 4 and 3 by 2 is equal to, just you have to find the average of these two numbers, that is 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Average means divide by 2. So what is the LCM of 4 and 2? Of course 4. Of course 4. Here already 4. 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, plus 2 is there, 2 twos are 4, 2 into 3, 6 divided by 2. 6 plus 5, 11 by 4. Whole divided by 2. 2 I am writing as a 2 by 1. Same situation, 2 by 1. So children, first into last, second into third is equal to 11 into 1 by 4 into 2. 11 ones are 11, 4 twos are 8. So one more answer we got. So totally we have got how many numbers? One is 5 by 4, next is 3 by 2, next is 2. So therefore numbers are, what are numbers? First it was 1, then we find it 5 by 4, then we find it 3 by 2, then 2. And we got one more number 11 by 8, which is the average of 5 by 4 and 3 by 2. So will belong between these two, 5 by 4 और 3 by 2 के बीच में आएगा, that is 11 upon 8. So 1, 2, 3. We have got 3 numbers. We have got 3 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Similarly, we have to find out 2 more because in question it is given that find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So children, 2 more numbers you have to find out. So let A is equal to, as you wish, many situations are there. You can take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5 by 4, or A is equal to 5 by 4, B is equal to 11 by 8, or A is equal to 11 by 8, B is equal to 3 by 2, or A is equal to 3 by 2, B is equal to 2, whatever. I am taking A is equal to 5 by 4 and B is equal to 11 upon 8. Everyone may get different answer, need not to worry. Okay, right. Now, a rational number between 5 upon 4 and 11 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 4 plus 11 upon 8 divided by 2. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? Of course 8. 4 2 times, 2 into 5, 10 plus 11 divided by 2. 10 plus 11, 21 by 8 whole divided by 2. So 2 means 2 by 1. Same, first into last, second into third. 21 into 1, 21. 8 into 2, 16. We got fourth number as a 21 upon 16. 21 upon 16. So children, one more number you have to find out. Therefore numbers are, now what? First was 1, next was 3 by 2. I won't remember children numbers. Sorry, I forgot the what were the answers. I have forgot. You write whatever is there. 3 by 2. And one we got 5 by 4. I think one you got 11 by 8 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So this 21 by 16 is between 5 by 4 and 11 by 8. 5 by 4 and 11 by 8. 11 by 8. In between them we got 21 by 16 children. Okay. Is it correct? 5 2s are 10. Yes. Now children, one more number is required. So very simple. Similarly, let as you wish. You take any two adjacent numbers. I am taking 21 upon 16. 21 upon 16 and 11 upon 8. You can take any two adjacent numbers, children. Okay. So what you can take? A rational number between 21 upon 16 and 11 upon 8 is equal to, okay, just you find the average. 21 upon 16 plus 11 upon 8 divided by 2. What is the LCM? Of course 16. So 21 plus 8 2s are 2 11s are 22 whole divided by 2. 43 by 16 whole divided by 2 by 1. First into last 43, second into third 32. So 5 rational numbers. What you will write at last, children? Therefore 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are. What are 5 rational numbers? 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 21 by 16 and 11 by 8. Between them we got 43 by 32. These are the 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is somewhat lengthy but very easy, children. Need not to be worried. Okay. And you have to use this method when and only when it is mentioned in the exam that find 5 rational number between 1 and 2 by mean method. If mean method is particularly mentioned, otherwise there is a magical method, there is shortcut method, single step method. Okay, that is, you can see here method 2. Already I have told in the previous video also, method number 2, that is your magical method. In very simple way it can be founded. What is that? How many numbers we have to find out? 5. So since we have to find 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. Since we have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2, hence let's make denominators of 1 and 2. 1 and 2 as you have to find out 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. जितना हमको निकालना है रेशनल नंबर्स उससे एक ज्यादा, that is n plus 1. Okay ना? We have to find out 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. 5 rational number between 1 and 2. So denominator we have to make 5 plus 1, 6. That is 1. 1 can be written as a 1 by 1. Similarly 2 can be written as a 2 by 1 because we have to write in P by Q form. First you have to write in P by Q form, then you have to make the denominator Q is equal to number of rational numbers required n plus 1. Here you require 5 rational numbers. So 5 plus 1, 6. Means we have to get it 6. How can you get it 6? By multiplying and divide with 6. We need here 6. So how can you get 6 here? By multiplying with 6 in the denominator. Because 1 is there. If you multiply with 6, it becomes 1 into 6, 6. So 6 by 6. Here also we require same thing. So 6 2s are 12. Here 6. So here 1 and 6 by 6 are equivalent fractions. There 6 by 6 cancels and again we get 1. 2 and 12 by 6 are equivalent fractions. 6 2s are 12. You will get the 2 answer. Means either you are saying these are there, that doesn't matter. Only one is here simplest form and it is not a simplest form. These two are equivalent fractions. So easily you can find out, children. Therefore 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are 1 and 2. What is 1 here you have taken? 1 we have made as a 6 by 6 and 2. 2 you have made as a 12 upon 6 is equal to. Now denominator is 6, 6 same. Numerator here 6, here 12. What are the numbers? What are the numbers on number line between 6 and 12? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And all contain same denominator 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. That we got the answer. Okay. Denominator we made same. Once we made the denominator same, here numbers after 6 and between 12, you can take it 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got the 5 rational numbers. It is in 2 marks. I hope you can understood and enjoyed the video. A previous video also is of same type of question. It's a solution of one more question of same model. And hope you are now perfect in this type of question, children. So children, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. Here denominator is already same, children. Denominator is already same, need not to do anything. Here denominator is same. And denominator value is how much? 11. How many numbers you have to find out? 10. So in the previous question, we have learned that if we have to find out n number of rational numbers, then we should make denominator equal to n plus 1. Here you have to find out 10 rational numbers. So we should make the denominators of both equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. And already it is 11, 11. So need not to do anything. Directly you can write the answer. Is it clear what I told? In previous question, we learned that if you have to find out n number of rational numbers between any two given integers a and b, then we have to make their denominators equal to n plus 1. Here you have to find out 10 rational numbers between these two. So we have to make their denominators equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. Already it's 11, 11. Need not to do anything. You are very lucky this time if you get this question in the exam. So therefore 10 rational numbers. Rational numbers between minus 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11 are. Okay. Now 11 is common denominator for all. Here minus 3. After minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10. 0 by 11 you can write as a normally 0. Is it not? So you got your answer, children. Similarly, one more question is there. That is find, insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Next question is insert 3 rational numbers. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. So again question comes by which method you have to find. If it is mean method, somewhat long, but of course we have to do. So let's see with the mean method first. Mean method. Let's see with the mean method first. Okay. So mean method, what you have to do? Let A is equal to 3 by 5, B is equal to, of course here it is not mentioned, but I am telling you both the methods always. So here a rational number between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 is equal to, what will take just average, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 whole divided by 2. So LCM of 5 and 3, 15, 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, divide by 2, 10 plus 9, 19 by 15 whole divided by 2, 2 means 2 by 1, first into last, that is 19 by 15 into 2, that is 30. So you find it one rational number. Okay children. Now next what we have to do, we have to find two more rational numbers. So you have to write here, therefore numbers are, first number was 3 by 5 and next number was 2 by 3. Since this is average of these two, so it will belong between them. 19 upon 30. 19 upon 30. Now let's, as you wish, A is equal to either this or that, depending on your choice. I am taking here, suppose this time. A is equal to 19 upon 30. B is equal to 2 upon 3. So again same steps. So a rational number between 19 upon 30 and 2 upon 3 is equal to, average of these two, very simple, average 19 upon 30 plus 2 upon 3 whole divided by 2. So 3 and 30 LCM, of course it is 30. 30 is here, no problem, 19 as it is. Here 3, 10 times and 10 twos are 20. Divide by 2. 20 plus 19, 39 by 30 whole divided by 2. 2 means 2 by 1 is equal to 39 by 30 into 2, 60. 39 by 60 children. 39 by 60. Okay. Any mistake? 33, 19 by 30 and 2 by 3. Here 30 LCM, 19 plus 10 twos are 20, 39, 39 by 60. It's right. Okay children. Now we got two rational numbers. Still we need one more because it is asked to find three rational numbers. So what you can write here? Therefore numbers are, it is very important to mention stepwise. First number given was 3 by 5. Last number given was 2 upon 3. We find a number 19 by 3 between, 19 by 30 between them. Next number 39 by 6 is between 19 by 30 and 2 by 3. 19 by 30 and 2 by 3 इनके बीच में है. That is 39 by 60. This is very important to write. Okay children. Now next, after this, now let whatever you want to take. I am taking here 19 by 30. B is equal to 39 upon 60. Therefore, a rational number between 19 upon 30 and 39 upon 60 is equal to, just simply average 19 upon 30 plus 39 upon 60. Average of these two. What is the LCM? 60. 30 how many times? 2 times. 2 into 19, 38 plus 39 whole divided by 2. 38, 9, 8, 17, 3, 3 are 6, 1, 7, 77 by 60 whole divided by 2. 2 means 1. That is 77 upon 120. 77 upon 120, 19 by 30, 39 by 6, 19 twos are 38, 38, 76, 77, yes 77 by 120. Therefore, rational numbers, at last answer, rational numbers between, three rational numbers between 3 upon 5, 2 up and 2 upon 3 are, what was the first number? 19 upon 30. Next This number 77 is between these two. So write first the 77 upon 120, next 19 upon 30, next 39 upon 60. 19 upon 30. Yes, children. Okay. So you got the answer.